Today's resonance is about just choosing one thing and how to do it. So just start with your body and see what is the most um, alive body sensation that you can feel. So if I close my eyes for just a moment, see what is the most alive body sensation. It's like a compression right below my solar plexus, between my belly button and my solar plexus. And I don't even know what it's connected to, this kind of compression and tension. So then I get to make a couple of empathy guesses, a couple of emotions guesses for this. Like I get to say to my belly, um, are you afraid? And my belly is afraid. It says, yes, I am afraid. Which makes me laugh just because it's such a sweet thing to get a solid yes. And then I can ask, are you angry? Oh, my shoulders go down, my hips start to relax. Okay, now I get to ask, are you disgusted? Oh, a deep breath. Yeah, disgust is there. And then, of course, these are our four big ones. The fourth is sometimes it's the first one, but these are in any order, these are the four big emotions that constrict our bodies. I wonder if there's any need to acknowledge sadness and mourning. Yeah. And then, one of those subsets of sadness and mourning is shame. It's where we've turned away from ourselves, or we turn away we have a sense that others have turned away from us. So I can say, Sarah, do you need any acknowledgement of shame? And then I can kind of feel that. And then this becomes the least important place. And all of a sudden I have those shame sensations in the face, the flushed skin, and a little bit of like tension under the eyes. And I tried to go to a May Day protest yesterday, but the one that I chose didn't have any people at it. There was no one there. There was no signs. And I copied and pasted the address. So I didn't have the address wrong. Something went wrong. I don't know what it was. And I collapsed. And I bought groceries and I went home. instead, instead of being able to figure out where the heck the May Day protest was. So yeah, and then I say, oh, Sarah, did you not meet your now we get to go to either metaphor guesses, if there's some kind of sensation left, or needs guesses, what are you most longing for? Gosh, longing for effectiveness and contribution. Mm, longing for contribution to be easy, longing for people to be at the place that I believed that they were going to be, longing for company, camaraderie, yeah, and wanting to uh, be able to have like a deep, it's kind of a funny thing, but a deep, compassionate, um, responsive sense of humor. So even with all the stuff that's going down. So yeah, so that lifts that kind of nausea that was here in my cheeks. So anyway, just choose one thing and see what your body has to tell you. All right, thank you so much. Bye bye.